Hello, art teachers. Let's get this hard packaged clay prepped and ready for sculpting tomorrow. This is a quick and easy way to get your clay ready for little hands right out of the box. It's good for any earth-based clay, the kiln clay or the air dry clay. It's not going to work with rock hard clay. If something is really rock hard, you're going to have to use the bucket method. It's going to take a little bit longer. But if your clay is still moist, just not really workable, this is how I get it ready for my students' young hands. In addition to the clay, you're going to need some thin cutting wire. I like to use the fishing line, but any sort of wire will do, any strong string. And you're going to wrap it and pull it through. They make special tools with this that actually have wooden handles on it, but you're going to make it sort of like slicing a loaf of bread, making about 1-inch slabs. So 5 or 6 slabs is enough for a single box. I take an old dish rag, and I've got piles of cloth rags in my room because they're so much better than those horrible paper things. Terry cloth is good because it holds the right amount of moisture. You want to wet it and wring it out. You don't want it sopping wet, but you do want it thoroughly damp. I get a nice big plastic bag. This one is just a trash can liner from my small trash can in my room. I put a towel down on the bottom layer, put a slab down, fold a piece of towel over the top of that, put another slab down, fold another piece. So basically you're making a layered sandwich with the damp towel, a slab, damp towel, a slab. Usually takes 2 towels to do this. When you got it all layered up, twist the bag closed and just let it sit. I do this as I'm cleaning up at the end of class, or I do it at the end of the day when I figure out how much is left over from today. Am I going to have enough for tomorrow, or do I need to open up a new box? This is going to work for overnight, and when your kids come back tomorrow, it's going to be the perfect workable consistency. If you have used a soaking wet rag, it's going to be slimy. So you want to wring it out and have a thoroughly damp rag. Also, this is good for overnight, and it also works over the weekend. You don't really want to do it any longer than that, or then you got the mold issues. This is not a long-term storage. This is just clay that you're going to be using within, say, the next 12 to 72 hours. And there you have it. The next day, we are ready to make our pinch pots or ornaments or whatever else we're working on. I hope this was useful to you. I'm posting my entire curriculum online on my Heidi How channel, so check it out, see if there's anything else you can use.